Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how can you change the display resolution of your display screen, whether it is your laptop or PC. So for this, what you need to do is just right click and go to display settings. This would open up the display in the settings app of your PC. Now, once you're in here, you will get these different options. So you have to scroll down till you get this display resolution. Now, once you get the display resolution, you will see that one of the settings is set already selected with a recommended option over there. If you just click over it once, then you will find that there are many different options which you can select. So these are all of the lower resolution. So Windows automatically recommends the highest resolution for you. In case you want to change your resolution, you can just select any of the other resolutions from here and your display would be changed to that resolution. In case you want to up the resolution, because here the only solution for you is to downgrade the resolution. In case you want to up the resolution, then you need to add an external graphics card and then try to up the resolution. That's it for this video. That's how you can change the resolution of your PC. Thanks for watching.